Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day wherever you are. We are here at Disney's Animal Kingdom for our wild time.
We're gonna have a wild time. My first time.
Yeah, Tony's first time at Disney World, period, and he is enjoying himself, and so are we.
Guess what? I'm feeling a little wild.
All right, we're gonna get in, and I think we're headed to Everest. See you there. There she is, the tree of life. Oh, hello, Animal Kingdom. We're headed into Asia to Mount Everest, Expedition Everest.
Yeah, Mongolian.
Asia.
We're so far away.
Hey, look. I love being here. Animal Kingdom is awesome. We're coming up on Everest. Yeah, join the adventure. I love the queue line for Expedition Everest. Red Panda.
So which Anthony is?
Secure all gear in the cargo bag. For your safety,
Give him a front.
Watch out for the Yeti. So much fun. Woo, we love Expedition Everest. Y'all Yeti for this? And of course, exit through the gift shop. Need a lantern? I've got more. I want to be where the Yetis are. 2 minutos.
Hey, look! Do that again. Do that again. Oh, look! It's Coastal Guy 101.
Expedition Everest was expeditious.
It was amazing. I loved it.
Just gonna grab a little drinkity. Here in Asia.
Souvenir cup.
We're entering Pandora Valley of Moara.
I see you. It sees you.
Without me? No. I mean, how long has it been filming? We've been filming at the same time.
Amazing. We're gonna do River Navi.
That's for the vlog. Sing.
Maewa.
I don't know the song. You sing it.
Maewa. Tree of Life Gardens.
Look at the otter. And you can see the little. Where are they at?
Lightning Lane. Flight of the Passage. Okay, now we're going in the cave.
See me? Great. Welcome to the Avatar program.
Tony, what'd you think of Avatar Flight of Passage?
I didn't want to leave.
And
I know, it should be like 3 or 4 times
Yeah,
longer.
I almost cried.
It was so good. It's like-
And then when we were done, when we got put back into reality, I almost cried again. I'm like, no, I don't want to go. I was like a kid. I don't want to leave, you know?
Yeah, it was awesome. So we're leaving Pandora, the world of Avatar. Flight of Passage was, I can't describe it. If you've never done it, you got to try it at least once. It's just crazy. Anyway, onward. Creature Comforts. And here we are at Creature Comforts. The most awesome Starbucks ever.
Alright, my friend, 967 on the magic wheel. Whenever you're ready, Tony.
I think we're gonna head out back to the resort to rest a little bit because we have to be in Disney Springs for dinner later tonight to meet my family. So we'll see you guys then. Join the adventure as always. Well, folks, we wrap up day 1 here at Animal Kingdom. What an awesome time we had. The rides were great. Wasn't too busy. Some lines here, but we rode a couple of good ones. Of course, Flight of Passage and Expedition Everest, etc. So anyway, we're gonna head back to the resort. So we'll see you guys in a bit. Thanks for joining the adventure.
Magical.
So we're here in Disney Springs. We're gonna be having dinner with my cousins later. So we're here in the World of Disney store, which if you've never been here is I think the largest Disney store in the world. It's crazy. Love it. Is that Tony? Dead. Hey Glenn, I'm standing in the very spot where we pretended to meet. I thought you'd get a kick out of it. Now Tony's getting to experience this historical site.